Welcome back, ladies, to the Grown Women's Table. Ladies, it's your girl, Lori. Hey, girl, hey, how you guys doing? This is day 5 of the 31-day eyeshadow looks. And as you can see, we're going smoky. Y'all, this video is going to be a little different. And y'all going to actually see me get ready the way I get ready for real. So, I couldn't put no sound to it. But you'll see. If you like and you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. All right, y'all. That's how your girl do her makeup. I normally have my music playing, and I just enjoy my makeup because this is my happy place. But you know how YouTube is. I couldn't play the music in the background, but I just wanted to come and be 100% who I am, and that's how I do my makeup. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And like I told y'all, I was going to switch up the formats, give everybody a little bit of something, something, something. So that's what I did. I hope you enjoyed it. And to all of my new subscribers, I see you and I appreciate you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, girl, hit that button so that I can save you a seat at the Grown Women's Table. And until the next video, bye-bye, ladies.
If you need some advice or looking for an idea, or just to get some tips, you can get that right here. This is Lori's Life, yeah, this is Lori's Life. Check out Lori's Life, yeah, it's Lori's Life.